Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2019 Chevy Traverse LT all-wheel drive, stock number X840XX. 16,000 miles on this one owner, Summit White in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. This Traverse seats 7, leather interior, bucket seats in the middle row. Rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row seats will fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Traverse is a very safe vehicle with advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, cross path detection, backup camera, and rear parking sensors, helping to give it a 5-star overall government crash rating. Power liftgate for convenience. Ample storage behind the third row. 60/40 split rear seats. Folds flat easily. Can of course fold them in any combination, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers with additional underfloor storage. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjustable power liftgate control, power seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel and put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It's Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatible. Navigation. Separate rear heat and air controls. Backup as well as forward camera. Dual zone automatic front temperature control along with heated front seats. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect mobile media devices. Automatic transmission, manual shift capability. All-wheel drive lock, giving you the greatest capability in inclement weather. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Traverse has a 3.6-liter direct injection V6, 310 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon, and the city average of 25 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Traverse, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.